So guys, we're gonna draw a quick picture of Tom Holland. He is once again the gentleman that plays the Spider-Man in the Spider-Man in the Avengers. I love the Avengers. It's awesome. I've seen all of the Avengers, I think. And then I got my cousin Rebecca. She's what you call she's the Avengers tour guide. Every time we go to a movie, we have to hear the history of the entire uh, the entire superhero universe. So there's nothing that we don't know. Yes, Superman is not dead. All right, so let's go ahead and get kicked off, guys. Once again, we're going to start with a basic head shape. So you guys remember that I had the little shapes over here, right? Remember my little shapes? Okay, remember? Shapes. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with, let's see, I don't know. Let me look at his head shape right here. Now his head shaped like a kind of big balloon. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a shape kind of like this one, where but I'm going to make the base of it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to kind of push the balloon here a little bit. I'm going to keep it a little bit like in the middle. So let's use this one here. I'm going to put this one aside. Yeah. So I'm going to start from basically here. Let me see. This one might be a better one. Yeah, because I want to keep the base of it kind of like that nice square base almost, but then I'm going to push it in here. So I'm going to go somewhere in between these. Now I'm going to go here. I said never differentiate once you do it. If we mess up, hey, we'll just go back and do another one. All right, so let's go ahead and get started, guys. We'll start with our basic head shape. Okay, once again, we're going to go from somewhere around here. So I'll put it over here so you guys can kind of see what head shape I'm using here. Okay, so I'm going to kind of come down like this. Okay, everything's going to kind of feed down to the bottom of the face like this. I don't want too hard of a line or too hard of a turn on the face, because then if you do that, it makes it or adds age to it. And this guy here is relatively young. So we're going to make it kind of flare out like this. Okay, like this shape over here. Okay, and then once we flared it out as much as we want to go, we'll go ahead and we'll start doing the forehead shape. So we'll do something like this. See? Okay, and then you can see the hair kind of does like this over it, like that. Okay, and then we'll add a neck. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our neck shape, which will be our hair shape. Remember that your shapes are always going to be consistent with the shape of the head, so we don't want to not flare it out. We want to keep it flared just like that. And then we want to bring it back into the head. And this, you can see his hairline goes like that. And some of it goes like this. And we'll add like a little bit on the end there. And then we'll come over here and we'll do the same thing. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and we'll add the ears here. So we're going to look at the basic angle of the ear. Okay. All right. So now all we have to do here is we're going to go ahead and we're going to start drawing the inner features, okay? Oh, a Spider-Man body. Man, I wish I would have, yeah. I don't know if let me see. Well, maybe I can fit. Maybe if I do something like this, let me see. Can y'all see that right there? We'll put like I didn't get to do the whole Spider-Man body, but I'll do this. Right? So that's his shoulder. I mean, not his shoulder, his chest ornament. And then we'll just kind of give him some muscles. Okay, and then we'll do something like this. Okay, and then let me see here. Maybe we can, hey look, we'll do something like this. There we go, Spider-Man theme. Okay. All right. Can you please give a tutorial about how to use Crayola markers? Okay. I can give you. I can put that on my list of tutorials of things to tutorial. All right. So let's go ahead now. We'll do our eyebrows. So I'll look at the basic shape of those once again. Do something like this. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and we'll do the nose shape here. So we'll do something like this. Oh wait, let me go ahead and put the eyes real quick. My bad. Okay, so we'll do the eyes. Okay, and we'll put the eyes here. Okay, and then we'll put the nose shape here. Okay, then we'll go ahead and put the mouth shape. Looking for that house once again. We can see our house really tapers off a lot here at the bottom. So I'm gonna and then it's kind of straight across. So it's one of those shapes where the corners touch it's like one of those shapes where the your pivot points land right on the corners or the folds of the house. So that's where we want to put our lines. We want it to go straight. And then we add like a small lip because he has a small lip there. We can do his teeth shape here if we want right now. Or you can wait till after and do the other line first. It's really up to you. Use thin lines to do your T shape. Never use very powerful lines. Okay, and then remember we got the U shape down here, so we don't have to do any guessing. We have a U shape with a small lip there. Okay, and then outside here, it's gonna be like the way the house is, just like so. You see that? All right. So now we got the drawing pretty much down to a science, guys. Just gonna add some cheekbones here just a little bit. Okay. And then all right. Now let's go ahead and take our shader. So well, not shader. Our shader, and we're gonna shade the eyes in. Do a little bit of shade here. A little bit of shade here. Remember, we can't see the outside of the house on this one really a lot, so we don't have to worry about putting a whole bunch in there. We just do a little bit of shade here. just to get those key features down. So I'm just gonna do a little shade, a little bit right here on the side. Add some here. Let me put some underneath the chin there. And man, looks like we got our picture almost down to a science there. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna darken in those eyes some. So let me get another gray marker out of my bag here. I got plenty of gray here. Oh, the Netherlands. Hey, awesome. Okay, we just darken those in a little bit. I'm gonna darken these eyebrows in just a little. And then we're gonna also darken in the side of that mouth, so it'll be more cartoonish. Okay. Put shade here. All right. Now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do the hair real quick because we're about to close out the drawing. It's really not a whole lot more we gotta do after. Well, let me go ahead and do this part first. Let me darken these in. These are just like darkening the pupils. Okay, and then the eyebrows, of course, we're gonna darken those in just a little bit. Okay. Okay. Add some dark right here. A little bit right here. And then on the lash line, we'll add a little bit right here. Okay. Now let's go ahead and do the hair real quick. So for the hair, I'll keep one of these markers here. This is a Marks a Lot marker. It's just a big poster marker I like to use to do the hair with. Okay. So let's see. Hopefully this one is not too. Okay, yeah, awesome. It's perfect. So you see what I'm doing here? I'm just using a pulling technique. I'm pulling the hair in the direction of my reference. When you're drawing from a photograph, you just kind of follow the reference, you know. Look at it. Don't look too long because then you get confused. It's really not that hard what I'm doing. It's just me pulling out from the line and then pushing in from the other line, and I leave a little bit of light in the middle of the hair so it looks like it's kind of folding around. You see how I did that? And that's the same theory as this. Let me give you guys something to wrap your mind around real quick. You see this marker? You see where the light's hitting it right here and it makes a line? That's the same thing I'm doing right here. You see? I'm pulling the dark from one side to the middle and from this side to the middle and leaving that line in the middle to make it look like it kind of folds over. So same concept, guys. All right, so let's go ahead here and just I'm gonna do this part right here. Okay, and then you just bring it around. Okay, and then over here we're doing the same thing. So it's just a bigger tube. It's like a little tube almost that's up there. Okay. Okay. Oh, dude, that didn't take long at all. Okay, just darken this little piece in. I like to put a lot of depth and dimension in my hair. That's not my hair, the hair on my caricatures. All right. And actually, real quick, guys, because I think what I want to do here, because it looks like the contrast on this is not where I want it. So let me go over here to my art cam real quick. Just give me a sec, guys. Okay, figure. Let me see. Let's go to contrast. There we go. Yeah. So I wanted to make my contrast turn up a little bit so you can see the darks and the lights like playing against each other. But anyway, that's my let me get this marker here. I use this one for my fine line work. Just like that. All right, so we pretty much got them down to a science. The Amazing Spider-Man. Okay, and that's it, guys. So unfortunately, guys, I've come to the end of the stream for today. I gotta get ready for to go to church tonight. That's gonna be awesome. I get to see my church family. It's always good to have some family on your team, man. You know, it's always good. So anyway, guys, we covered a lot of ground today. So guys, I'm just gonna sign my work right here. And then I want to also put Tom Holland here. We'll just put it here. I think it's HOLLAND. Okay. So it's been a blast, guys. You guys have a great and a blessed, wonderful evening. I'll be back tomorrow at 3:30 once again for the live stream. Hopefully you guys can join me then. Until then, guys, peace, love, chicken grease. I don't know. All right, that's an old school joke. Y'all know about that. Y'all have a great night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it. And after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and happy penciling.